tropical and heat-loving plants for Zone 10. Adam's Needle Yucca. Modern gardens demand a modern plant. Excalibur Yucca is a new variation on the traditional Adam's Needle Yucca. Excalibur is slightly smaller in size with a more uniform ball shape. Autumn Embers Encore Azalea. Autumn Embers trademark Encore Azalea, Azalea X Conleb, is a vibrant evergreen shrub known for its long-lasting, semi-double blooms. Rich orange-red flowers appear in spring and continue through fall, providing color for an extended season. Bells of Fire Tecoma, a stunning shrub that is easy to grow. The Bells of Fire Tecoma is a compact version that produces red-orange trumpet-like blooms. Bloom season is generous, lasting from spring until frost. It is easy to grow, it is self-cleaning, and loves the sun. Chicklet Orange Tecoma. Chicklet Orange Tecoma Esperanza, Tecoma X, has colorful trumpet-like orange flowers from spring through fall. The flowers have a light fragrance. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is a great edible plant for the ornamental garden. Also known as Cymbopogon citratus, this densely growing clumping plant is used in many different Southeast Asian cuisines. Little Gold Star Black-Eyed Susan. With Little Gold Star Black-Eyed Susan, Rudbeckia fulgida, you can enjoy yellow daisy-like flowers most of summer and into fall. Black-Eyed Susans are favorite flowering plants for their unique dark center, black eye, and bright yellow petals. Sugar Shack Buttonbush. For an attractive, fragrant, and native shrub, look no further than Sugar Shack Buttonbush. The native bog plant is an excellent choice for wet areas and rain gardens. Summer Beauty Allium. Summer Beauty Allium is an improved ornamental variety of garlic chive and makes a wonderful addition to a kitchen garden, herb garden, or even a container as part of a mixed seasonal display. Explore tropical and heat-loving plants for Zone 10. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.